Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about the future of English language, whether English language is secure in future or there are the chances that someone other languages may replace this language. So I will talk about this ahead in this video. Please stay with me, watch this video till end so that you never miss any point which I am going to discuss in this video. Actually, you know that present era is the global era. Right now, the English is the language of technology, science, social media, each and everything. Most of the stuff, whenever you are willing to find, you will find that stuff in English language. And most of the countries, those are publishing about their country in national language and then after in international language, that is English language. So you can find information about any country while searching about that country through English language. So it means that this is the international language, and this language is progressing day by day, and most of the people are learning this language. For instance, I am learning this language, and in future I will make my kids, I will make my children to learn this language. In this way, this language will be promoted generation by generation. So there are less chances that someone other languages may replace this language, but anything can happen. Only that language may replace the English language whose population is higher than others, such as the Chinese population is higher in the world. And if they try to make their language dominated on world, all over the world, then they can spread. But it requires a lot of time and struggle and efforts to make the language most popular among the world population. There are the chances that in future this language that is the English language may be replaced by someone other languages. But as I told you that it is not easy task. Only those countries can do this happening. Their population is higher than others, such as China. In China, most of the people speak Chinese language. They prefer to speak Chinese language, and they are willing to spread this language throughout the world. But right now English is the international language, and less chances are available to replace this language. After some centuries it may happen, but not in near future. And right now this is the global language, and you should try to improve yourself in this language, because with the help of this language you can learn more about the world, more about the countries, their culture, religion, territory, and a lot of other things. Each and everything you can find through English language. So this is the best option, that this is the language of social media also. You should improve yourself with the help of social media. You can get guidance from there. There are a lot of stuff uploaded in the shape of videos, articles, podcasts, and you can get a lot of information from there. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, do subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.